Hello math experts, welcome to Learning with Miss Sam, and I'm going to teach you a very important math lesson about place value to the billions. What do we need to know? That every single number in the universe is made out by digits. And what are the digits? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And if you arrange these digits in different order, you can make a little, medium, or a humongous number. Now we're gonna see a number to the billion. We have this huge number. Do you even know how to read it? If you don't, I'm gonna teach you how. As you can see, these numbers are divided by periods. So it's 1, 2, 3 digits, comma, 1, 2, 3 digits and a comma, 1, 2, 3 digits and another comma. Each group of 3 digits are called a period. We have the ones, the thousands, the millions, and the billions. So now, how do we read this number? Well, let me tell you something. Each one of these commas has a name. Like I am Miss Sam, and maybe your name is Daniel, Jesus, Banks, Ayla. Well, each one of these commas has also a name. The name of this comma is 1000. And you can start taking notes so you remember how to use this information for your first assignment. The name of this comma is million. And last but not least, the name of this comma is billion. And now we're gonna read the number together. This is how you do it. You're gonna start by the number, then you say the name of the comma, then you read this number, the name of the comma, you read this number, the name of the comma, and to finish up, you read this number. It's pretty simple if you think about it. So let's start. I'm gonna read it on my own, you're gonna listen, and then we're gonna say it together. 5,655,233,848. Now let's say it together. 5,655,233,848. Is it that simple? Now you read it on your own. Now that we know how to read a number, we're gonna see the place value of each one of the digits. We're gonna start always from right to left. So here we have this 8, it's on the ones place. Remember, take notes. The ones are worth 1, which means that 8 groups of 1, 8 times 1 equals 8. This 8, the value of it is 8. Next number. These are the tens. As you can imagine, the tens are worth 10, which means that we have 4 groups of 10, and 4 times 10 equal 40. The value of this 4 is, what do you think it is? If you said 40, yes, you are on the right track. Let's move on to the hundreds. The hundreds, of course, are a group of 100. So you're gonna count 100, 200, 300, and on and on and on. Which means that this 8 is 8 groups of 100. And 8 times 100 is 800. Therefore, the place value of this 8 is 800. Easy, right? Let's move on to the thousands period. Here we have the thousands. Under a group of 1,000, I'm gonna substitute the 3 zeros for the letter K, because then I'm not gonna have space to write so many zeros. So we have 1,000, which means that we have 3 groups of 1,000. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. If I want to do the multiplication, 3 times 1,000 equals 3,000. Remember to put digit, 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 comma, from right to left. And here the value is 3,000. Let's move to the 10,000s. As you can see, we also have a 3. But do you think the value of this 3 is the same as this one? Think about it. If you said no, you are on the right track. Let's see the value of these 3. These are the 10,000. 10, comma, 1,000. I'm going to replace the 3 zeros for the letter K. Now, I'm going to multiply 3 times 10,000, which means that the value of this 3 is 30,000. I don't know if you have noticed the pattern, but the only thing you need to do is drop the digit and then fill the right with zeros. Now, let's analyze these two numbers. Even though this is a 3 and this is also a 3, the 3 on the thousands place, which is this one, is 1/10 or 10 times smaller than the 3 on the 10,000s place. Why is that? It is because this 3 is worth 3,000 and this 3 is worth 30,000. So this 3 is 1/10, this 3, and this 3 is 10 times greater than this 3. Now let's move on to the 100,000s place. Now we have the 100,000s place. These two, it's in the 100,000s place value, which means that we have 2 groups of 100,000, which equals to 200,000. You drop the digit and then fill the rest with zeros. It's really simple. Now, let's move on to the millions. We have 5 million. I'm going to represent the million with the letter M, but I have a question for you. Do you know how many zeros are in 1 million? The answer is 6. I'm going to write the number 1 million here, and it's 1, comma, 0, 0, 0, comma, 0, 0, 0. This is 1 million, which means that this is 5 groups of 1 million, and therefore the value of this 5 is 5 million. Now, let's go to the tens millions place. We have 10 million. I don't know if you have noticed, but this is also the same digit, 5 and 5. Do you remember, are these two 5s the same value? Well, I hope that you know by now that they are not. The value of this 5 is 5 million, and the value of this 5, if it's in the 10 millions place, It means that it's 5 groups of 10 million, which is equal to 50 million. Remember, you just drop the digit 5 and fill the rest with zeros. Another thing that you need to notice is the pattern. We have the ones, tens, hundreds, and then these are the 1,000s, 10,000s, 100,000, and now we have 1 million, 10 million. What do you think is the place value of this? If you said 100 million, you are 100% getting it all correct. The value of this 6 is in the 100 millions place, which means that we have 6 groups of 100 million. 6 times 100 million. Remember, it's 6 zeros. 100 million. Now we're gonna multiply 6 times 100 million, and that is equal to 600 million. Why? Because you count 100 million, 200 million, 300 million, 400 million, 500 million, and 600 million. Now we're gonna do the billion, and this is our last digit. We are in the billions place, which means that we have 5 groups of 1 billion. So we have to multiply 5 times 1 comma. How many zeros are in 1 billion? If you said 9, you are 100% correct. We have 1 and 9 zeros, that is 1 billion. So now if you multiply 1 billion 5 times, that is a wonderful quantity of 5 billion. And as simple as that, we have finished our first lesson. Now is your turn. Your mathematical challenge is, I want you to write the name of this huge number. Leave it in the comments. Before we go, thank you for watching the video. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with other kids that are learning math. See you in the next video.